like button, leave a comment. Hi, DMD, family man in the Philippines. Alright, so lately I've been working on windows, fixing the grills because they're not up against the frame. So I've been doing a lot of cutting concrete, making a shitload of dust. So decided today, since I've been out, I've been using like a motorcycle or face mask, this like cloth thing, the last couple of times. It does not have elastic for the ears, so it's been hurting my ears. So I decided today I was going to up that game and actually get a device I'm supposed to be wearing when I'm cutting concrete with my 4-inch portable grinder that works really great. Lotus brand, 650 watt I think it is, but works really great with the diamond cut blade. So went out and bought a device to help me keep the dust and the particles out of my mouth and my face, help protect me. So here it is, classic orange and blue. So this will help control it, industrial respirator. Eagle brand. So they'll help keep the dust and the nastiness out of my nose and my mouth and still let me breathe so that I'm not chewing concrete all day long when I'm working on the windows. Okay, I believe I have the cutting out or grinding out with the grinder finished. Looks like the grill will fit in there properly now. Over there is all cut. I had to cut top left hand side all the way across to the top right hand side without trying to make gouges. I could have opened up all the way to the ceiling, and that would have made it easy for the grill to fit. But no good for attaching it. My landlord seems to think that it was just going to be a simple take the screws out and push it in and put the screws back in. No, they did not realize the complications. So this is the small bedroom upstairs. I'm done for the evening. There's all the dust on the floor. The floor used to be a brown, and now it's gray. Fellowship gray in the dust. So I'm finished for the evening. Tomorrow, I'll clean out the windowsill, put the grate back up in there, or the grill back up in there. I will mark the holes for the wall anchors, pull the grill out, drill the holes. I'll take the grills out, put the wall anchors in, put the grill back in again, and then put the screws in place. That'll be the completion of this grill. All 3 grills upstairs in the 2nd floor. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, click the like button, leave a comment. Have a great day.